Today we will discuss about decomposition techniques in parallel algorithms. So, suppose large data is there. That large data we are dividing into smaller parts, and smaller parts we are allocating to different process. All process can execute parallelly and they will produce the result at a time. So, because of that, time will be reduced. So, what are the decomposition techniques are there? First one is data decomposition, second one recursive decomposition, third one exploratory decomposition, fourth one is speculative decomposition. First, data decomposition. So, data decomposition, here we are dividing the data into smaller parts. For example, matrix multiplication is there. So, suppose 2 by 2 matrix is there. A, B, C, D is one matrix, another one is E, F, G, S is there. Okay, how we are doing the multiplication here? First row we are multiplying with the first column. So, A into E plus B into Z. Next again, here same thing, first row and second column. So, A into F plus B into H. Here second row and first column. C into E plus D into Z, and second thing is C into F plus D into H. So here we are doing first row we are multiplying with first column, first row we are multiplying with the second column, second row we are multiplying with first column, and second row we are multiplying with the second column. So this we are allocating to one processor, this we are allocating to another processor, this we are allocating to another processor, this we are allocating to another processor. So these 4 operations will be done parallelly, at a time output will be produced. So first part we are allocating to processor 1, second part we are allocating to processor 2, third part we are allocating to processor 3, and fourth one is processor 4. These 4 processes execute parallelly and produce the output. So that is called as the data decomposition. Here matrix multiplication we are doing. How we are dividing? First matrix first row and second matrix first column, and here first matrix first row and second matrix second column. Here first matrix second row and second matrix first column, and first matrix second row and second matrix second column. So these we are executing parallelly and we are producing the output. So that will be time complexity will be reduced. Second one is recursive decomposition. Recursive decomposition. So recursive method when we are getting, whenever we are calling the same name of the procedure again and again, then recursive procedure will be appeared. So where it will occur? In divide and conquer strategy we are appeared. So recursive decomposition best example is suppose quicksort and merge sort. These two are recursive decomposition. See, based on pivot element in quicksort, based on pivot element, lesser than pivot element we are keeping in sublist 1, and greater than pivot element we are keeping in sublist 2. We are sorting recursively sublist 1 as well as sublist 2. So even merge sort also if you take, merge sort also we are doing, suppose 10 elements are there. We are dividing into first 5 elements and second 5 elements. Sublist 1, first 5 elements, second sublist, next 5 elements. So again we are splitting these first 5 elements into 2 elements and 3 elements. Like that we are sorting recursively. Parallelly we are sorting sublist 1 as well as sublist 2. So this is called as the recursive decomposition. Recursive means same name of the procedure recursively again and again we are calling. So quicksort and merge sort, divide and conquer strategies are applicable in the recursive decomposition method. Third one is exploratory decomposition. exploratory decomposition means in this decomposition goes in hand to hand. So best example is puzzle problem. If you take puzzle problem, 16 blocks puzzle problem if you are taking. Suppose here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Suppose if you are leaving 11 here, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is the given info. So we have to arrange all the values in sequence. We have to arrange all the values in sequence. How we can apply this one? See, first we are taking. See here, elements are up to 10 sequence are there, and 11 is there, and 12 is there, and 13, 14, 15. So for this, what we have to do? Here, whatever the block is there, for that we have to move this block to upward, downward, left side, and right side. Upward, downward, left side, and right side. So, exploratory decomposition means see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we have to arrange all the values in sequence. Suppose first we are moving upward. So first we are moving upward means what we will get? 7 will come here, blank will come there. So first one is upward. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 7 is there. Here it will come 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Next, second thing is upward is over. Now downwards you can take. Downward is 15 will go here and block empty will come here. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 15 will go. 15, 11, 12, 13, 14 is there. Next, upward and downward is there. Next, left is there and right is there. So, left if you are making means left we are making means 10 will come here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 will come here. Left we are applying this. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Next again, right side we have to move. Okay, right side if you are moving means what will happen? 11 will come here, here empty block will come. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 11 will come. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So again we have to apply same strategy to these 4 also. Suppose if you are taking this one. So again empty where it is there? Here it is there. Here suppose upward and downward, left, right if you are applying. What will happen? See here, upward if you are applying is what you will get? Upward if you are applying is here 8 will come here and remaining values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here empty will come 9, 10, 11, 8, 12 and 13, 14, 15. So next upward we have done. Next downward we are doing. So then what will happen? Downward what will happen? See downward means 12 we are moving here. So then 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So all elements are arranged in the sequence. So like this, we are executing this one parallelly. For this one also upward, left or right, upward, downward, left and right we are applying. For this one also we are applying parallelly. This one also we are applying parallelly. Finally, we are getting the output in this case. All elements are arranged in the sequence. So puzzle problem can be solved by using exploratory decomposition. So next thing is, fourth one is speculative decomposition. See, speculative decomposition, best example is it should have switch statement. Suppose up 12th, after completion of 12th standard, student want to enter into engineering. So there he will decide that whether he has to go for civil branch, whether he has to go for mechanical branch, computer branch, IT branch, ENDC branch. So switch option is there. He is thinking whether I have to go for civil, mechanical, ENDC, computer, IT. So that is called as the switch option. If it is there switch statement, that is called as the speculative. Another example is, first one is switch statement. Second one is topological sorting. See, topological sort means in this we have to calculate for each and every vertex in what are the incoming edges are there. If it is not having incoming edges, there are no incoming edges for any vertex. First we are keeping in the sorting order. Next, if it is having next to incoming edges, next we have to see which one is having least number of incoming edges. Next we are seeing that one. So like this we are arranging all the vertices in the sorting order. That is called as the topological sort. That means based on incoming edges, first we have to find what are the incoming edges for each and every vertex. So these are the four decomposition techniques. First one is data decomposition techniques. Here we are dividing the data into multiple parts. Best example is matrix multiplication. Second one is recursive decomposition. So where we are recursive decomposition means same name of the procedure again and again we are calling. So best example is divide and conquer strategies techniques, quicksort and merge sort. Next, third one is exploratory decomposition techniques means decomposition goes in hand to hand. That means each and every process goes with the best possible solution. Best example is puzzle problem. We are solving puzzle problem like this. Next, fourth one is speculative decomposition means if it contains switch statement, or second one is topological sort is the best examples of the speculative decomposition.